Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to turn the volume up or down on your Vizio TV without a remote. First, locate the physical buttons on your TV. Depending on your model, these are usually on the back or side of the TV. Use the volume up and down buttons to adjust the sound directly. If you want more convenience, you can download the Vizio Smartcast app on your smartphone, available for both iOS and Android. Make sure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your TV. Once connected, you can use the app as a remote control to adjust volume, change channels, or control other TV settings. Other options include using a universal remote, your cable box remote, or a streaming device remote like Roku or Apple TV if it's configured to control your Vizio TV. And that's it. That's how to turn the volume up or down on your Vizio TV without a remote. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.